Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the PZ Pivot Points EA. It's a free expert advisor from PZ Trading SLU. And right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this is version 2.0 and it is available as a free download. The EA is designed around classic pivot points, okay, and it places trades using pending orders around key support and resistance levels derived from those pivots, okay. As I scroll through the overview, the developer explains that the EA is built to be easy to use and monitor, while still offering a wide range of configuration options. It supports ECN and non-ECN brokers, works across different digit formats, and can also be configured for NFA and FIFO compliance depending on the account requirements. Moving into the core logic section, the EA uses pivot levels as its main reference for trade placement. According to the description, in its regular mode, it will buy around resistance levels and sell around support levels using predefined pivot zones. All right. Now, there is also an inverse mode that flips this logic along with more directional modes like buy only and sell only, depending on how you want exposure to the market. Now, one of the key features here is the flexibility in trading behavior. This allows the EA to be adjusted depending on whether you want it to follow standard pivot logic or take a contrarian approach. It is essentially giving different interpretations of how price reacts around these pivot levels. Okay, so looking at the position management settings, there are standard risk control tools available, such as break-even adjustment, stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop options. These settings allow traders to define how aggressively or conservatively positions are managed once they are active. Okay, the money management section adds another layer of flexibility. Traders can use fixed lot sizing, automatic risk-based lot calculation, martingale or inverse martingale. The martingale options in particular adjust position sizing after losses or wins, depending on the selected mode, which can significantly change how risk is distributed across trades. Now, there is also session filtering available, allowing trading to be enabled or disabled during Asian, European, or American sessions. This gives more control over when the EA is active in the market. Okay. Now let us move into the historical backtesting section. Since this EA is based on pivot levels and configurable trading behavior, the results will depend heavily on the chosen settings, session filters, and money management mode. That makes it important to test across different configurations and time periods. All right. So here I can see that the provided tester report shows that the EA was tested on Euro USD on the daily time frame between 2nd January 2006 and 8th November 2016. And then here initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit is over $25.6 million. Total trades taken 5,619, out of which 4,757 were profitable, giving us an 84.66% win rate. The largest profit here was over $1.1 million. Largest loss here, $281,811.53. Average profit, 16,686.42, while the average loss was 62,333.27. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio was bad. All right, let's head over to our strategy tester and let us see how the PZ Pivot Points EA performed on Euro USD on the daily time frame over the past 3 months in 2026. We're using the every tick modeling. So from here, I can see that initial deposit was $10,000. Total net profit was just $1.53. 29 trades we are taking, right? And then out of that 29, 27 we are profitable. That gave us a 93.1% win rate. But then the largest profit was $1.70. Largest loss was $10.37. Average profit was just 46 cents, but the average loss was $5.44. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is very, very bad. The difference between the average profit and the average loss is so wide. Okay, now let us turn on the visuals. Let us see how this EA looks like in action. All right. So as we review the historical chart activity, the trades generally align with pivot based reactions, and where price interacts with support and resistance levels derived from the pivot structure. Depending on the selected behavior mode, entries may appear as reversals at these levels or follow an inverted interpretation of the same zones. When looking at the historical testing performance, it is important to treat this as historical backtest results only. Okay, outcomes can vary significantly based on lot size selection, risk configuration, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and market conditions during the testing period. The developer also emphasizes that this is a general purpose trading tool, meaning its effectiveness depends heavily on how well it is configured and tested. It does not claim to generate profits under all conditions, which reinforces the importance of proper optimization. All right. So overall, the PZ Pivot Points EA provides a flexible MT4 trading framework built around classic pivot levels with multiple trade behaviors, session filters, and money management options. As always, I would recommend running longer term testing and optimization to understand how it performs across different market environments before considering any live use. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.